The sun was eclipsed, and the Prophet pbuh got up in a state of anxiety, thinking that it was the hour. He came to the mosque and began to pray, standing, bowing and prostrating for the longest time I ever saw him do. These signs that are sent do not occur for the death or birth of anyone. Rather, Allah sends them to create fear in His slaves. If you see any of them, then hasten to remember Him, call upon Him and ask Him for forgiveness.
The prayer of the solar eclipse, known as Salat al-Kusuf, is a special prayer that can be performed during a solar eclipse. To perform the prayer of eclipse, one should start by making an intention to pray Salat al-Kusuf and saying takbir to commence the prayer. Recite Surah Fatiha, followed by the recitation of any lengthy surah from the Quran. Then, bow deeply and remain in the position of bowing for an extended period. Afterward, recite Surah Fatiha again, followed by a shorter recitation. Then, go into the bowing position and proceed to prostrate twice. According to the Hadith in Sahih Bukhari, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, performed a similar prayer during a solar eclipse. He recited the Quran, engaged in extended bowing and prostration, sought forgiveness from Allah, and advised his believers to do the same. By the end of the prayer, the solar eclipse was over, reminding us of the power of faith and prayer during extraordinary celestial events.
اللهم إني ظلمت نفسي ظلما كثيرا ولا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت فاغفر لي مغفرة من عندك وارحمني إنك أنت الغفور الرحيم.